Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about different kinds of spiritual practices. Spiritual practices are a way to connect with your inner self, to find peace and meaning in your life. They can help you stay centered and balanced, even in the midst of chaos. We'll explore 5 powerful spiritual practices that can bring more meaning and fulfillment into your life. With a variety of options to choose from, you can find the one that resonates with you the most. So, let's dive in and discover the transformative power of these practices together. One of the practice you can do is lighting a candle. Lighting a candle is a simple but powerful spiritual practice that can help you focus your mind and set an intention for your day. Walking in nature is another thing you can do. Walking in nature is another way to connect with the spiritual side of life. The beauty and peace of the natural world can help you feel more grounded and connected to something greater than yourself. Other practice you can do is journaling. Journaling is a powerful tool for self-reflection and spiritual growth. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can help you gain clarity and insight into your innermost self. Yoga is another option for you. Yoga is a physical and spiritual practice that has been around for thousands of years. It can help you connect with your body, calm your mind, and find inner peace. The last practice in my list is meditation. Meditation is a powerful spiritual practice that can help you quiet your mind and connect with your inner wisdom. It can reduce stress and anxiety and help you cultivate a sense of inner calm and well-being. Spiritual practices are a way to nurture your soul, to find meaning and purpose in your life. They can help you connect with your innermost self and with something greater than yourself. So take some time today to connect with your spiritual side, and see how it can enhance your life. Thank you for watching this informative video on spirituality practices. We hope that it has provided you with valuable insights into this important topic. If you are interested in learning more about benefits of each practice, make sure to follow our channel for more informative content like this. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will dive into benefits of each practice. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Also, please like and share this video with anyone you think might benefit from this information. Thank you for your support, and we look forward to sharing more valuable insights with you in the future.